Okay. So I have tried to develop a WordPress team to start learning the WordPress uh, ecosystem, and I want to work with the Tailwind. Okay, Tailwind CSS. I don't want to work with the Bootstrap for now. I have what's called something like Nightmare or something on WordPress. Bootstrapping. So this is what I searched, and I found a few links. Okay, a few links to talk about. So the first thing is this. I haven't tested out, but it looks cool, very cool, and interestingly very cool. It have a pre-configured Tailwind from download to Tailwind build CSS, just in time compiler, or just in time compatible, your WordPress editor of choice, whether it's block or where is bundle. Okay, bundle all the. I will try this one for sure. This is beautiful, very beautiful. This is very beautiful. So the other one is this, a Tailwind boilerplate for WordPress. It posted by Jeffrey Van Rossum or Rosum on November 21, 2020. Okay, so for years I have been developing custom WordPress themes, mostly with Bootstrap 3 and 4, later 4. But around a year ago, I started using Tailwind, the beauty of Tailwind CSS instead. So I first got familiar with Tailwind through the Laravel community and start using it in various Laravel projects I have worked on, including add row, which is it's a payment thing. Let's see, yeah, invoicing tool, and I enjoyed working with Tailwind so much that I wanted to use it for WordPress development as well. So creating a boilerplate, if you develop multiple custom themes, it can be very time consuming to set the basic up every single time. Instead, or installing Tailwind, setting up, compiling, adding styles for Gutenberg, WordPress, it's a WordPress blog editor. So far, after a while, I made a boilerplate theme, which is could cut as a starting point for theme development with Tailwind. Okay, he called it TailPress. TailPress, along with Tailwind, the boilerplate, as also use Laravel Mix for compiling. Whilst developing themes, I found I have I was sit I was still doing quite a bit of repetitive tasks, mostly for setting up support for Gutenberg, for example, providing styles for the alignment option. Gutenberg offers stylings, the defined themes, colors, and font size, while I was mostly making minor changes to TailPress for the better part of this year. The last couple of weeks I have been more active. For example, a week ago I added a new Tailwind CSS version higher to. Okay, last release this version 0.02. Today I released TailPress version 0.02. With the release, I have tagged quite some of these repetitive tasks. With this version, alignment, color, and font size classes are generated out of the box. To achieve this, I have set up a Tailwind plugin that plug it in, not extracted for now, into a separated package, and this it's easy customizable for everyone who want to change things. Okay, you can get started here building the WordPress themes with Tailwind. Okay, this is beautiful, this is very nice, and what I am looking for now at least. And this is the TailPress website, or tailpress.io. You can find it, get started with it, and do stuff. The installation is pretty simple. Composer, unique to Composer, and Composer Global require, and Jeffrey Van Rossum, then after slash Tailwind Press install. You install this easy. Just hit the new theme with your example theme or whatever you like here, going to be your theme name, or TailPress new theme and name. You can pass the name with this parameter. So, and after that you have to use a node to run the watching or the development server in order to start your development server, and voila, you start using Tailwind with WP. Okay, this is perfect. And another one I found is, I haven't even tried it out, but the Sage or Advanced WordPress Starter theme with Tailwind CSS and Laravel Blade. This sounds cool, just the name. Okay, so rapidly. Okay, so this is the theme that Jason generated from Tailwind, maintained for over 12 years. This is a huge community. Okay, they have also 12,000 star. For each year, I think it's one add up. Okay, just they add 1k star likes or stars in the GitHub for each year count. So I like this so much. Okay, let's get back to our Sage theme. So rapidly WordPress theme development with Tailwind CSS. Sage, a Tailwind CSS config automatically generate theme.json file, which is used to configure the WordPress editor. You define fonts, colors, and spacing are available in the editor, and you can use Tailwind classes in your template to rapidly build out your WordPress theme. So, want to use Bootstrap instead? No, or no CSS framework at all? Not a problem. Sage is a minimal starting point and ready for you to customize to fit your need. That's your choice then. But I only need this. Where is Tailwind? This one. Okay, I only need this one, at least for now, if there are no better technology available there. So Laravel Blade templates with WordPress, looking for modern PHP template features in the WordPress theme, like template inheritance. That's awesome. And components. That's awesome too. Sage has you're covered thanks to the Blade template from Laravel we copied. So this is how you defined your things. So okay, this is good. Flex, H screen, include, that's cool. Yield content, we will fill this with content. That's great. That's great. And we also dynamically change our classes. Amazing. So modern development workflow. Asset build are healed by bond.json. I don't know this either. What is this? A highly performance a build system. Bond is built on top of Webpack. That makes sense. And it's designed to be easy to use and configure with HMR. So HMR is enabled by default and you can use the yarn dev command to watch for the changes and automatically rebuild your assets. Read the docs, view the repo, sponsors. There are good sponsors, like even WordPress sponsored this content or this work. Built with Sage, a lot of profiles here, or a lot of systems have developed using Sage. What is this? 99% invisible.org. The name is good, but it's visible. This is visible. Architecture, city, sound. I can, yeah, that's impressive. That's good.
This is 99% Invisible.
Yeah.
I'm Roman Mars.
Okay.
In 1974, two very significant things happened if you are a fan of 99% Invisible. Number one is that I was born. And number two, The Power Broker by Robert Caro was published. I learned about The Power Broker when I first started to cover cities and infrastructure on the radio. This massive book that's about 1,200 pages long is the most important and complete explanation of how cities are formed, how neighborhoods are destroyed, bridges are erected, roads are laid down, parks are designed, fortunes are made, lives are ruined, and
good. I will send this to someone who do architectural things. Okay, so recommendation. I think 2 years ago I tweeted to you all saying I love Sage. Now I'm getting started with Bedrock and love it. Thanks you for making me feel like WordPress can be sane, secure, and modern. That's awesome. That's awesome. In my opinion, their root.io toolkit is the most sane way to do WordPress in 2013, while we are now almost 2014, just 1 to 2 weeks after we are going to celebrate the new Christmas. Okay, so Sage has brought WordPress development into the modern age. That's also nice thing. Absolutely excellent, and we do have probably moved away from WordPress by now without it. Okay, nice. Can't recommend it highly enough. Okay, thank you. Ecosystem, these are the ecosystems of Sage. So we are going to start our project using this Sage. Okay, advanced WordPress starter theme with Tailwind CSS and Laravel Blade. So next time we are using Tailwind and WordPress to build our new WordPress site. So see you all then. Cheers.